Are you running out of ideas for easy weeknight dinner options? Well, look no further. Try these Southwestern style loaded baked potatoes. In less than 20 minutes, dinner will be served. Chef Nathan will walk us through the recipe. Let's take a look. You can use a sweet potato or a regular potato in this recipe, otherwise known as a russet or Idaho potato. Both are lower calorie, low fat foods rich in fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, and even vitamin C. A sweet potato does have slightly less carbohydrates and is higher in beta-carotene and vitamin A. So when given the chance to choose one over the other, the sweet potato does provide slightly more of a nutritious punch, but both are a healthy and nutritious choice. We are adding no salt added rinsed black beans. Canned beans are a great time saver when it comes to adding a little plant-based protein to your dish. But choosing the no salt added option is the best way to keep your sodium intake down. If you can't find the lower sodium option, rinsing the canned beans also helps to lower the sodium content. Both are great tips for following a heart-friendly and/or lower sodium meal plan. Topping your potato with some plain Greek yogurt in place of sour cream provides a lower calorie, lower fat, and higher protein option. Feel free to add some diced avocado to complete your dish. This would pair nicely with a garden salad for a midweek dinner that took no time to prepare. Bon appetit!